Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Opportunity Scholar, where we'll bring update on scholarship, study abroad opportunities, and legit platforms where students can make money. So if you're just watching me for the first time, ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the like button so that YouTube can recommend this video to people who also need it. Also share my video to your friends who are interested in Google Playbook. So in our previous video we've discussed so far, we've talked about how to create Google Play accounts, and I also talked about you using a VPN to create it because African countries are being restricted to creating this account. And then I also talked about the step-by-step guide on how to upload your book. So I also say that as a novice, if you're publishing your book on Google Play, you have to be careful with the names you use, and also you have to be careful with the title you use because you need to research. You need to search that name you want to use to create your account. If, for example, your name is Blessing Wandu, you have to search if that name has appeared in their platform. And for example, if you're using this title, for example, The Secret Markets of Invisible Things, let's say, for example, your book title is something like this, you also have to search for that title if it has appeared on their platform. Because if you don't do that, your account will be rejected, it will be disabled, and even if you appeal, they will still reject it. Okay. Then I also talked about how to create your book using ChatGPT and Cloud AI. You can see on my screen all this book I published on Google Play. I don't have idea about how to create book or how to write book. I only just use ChatGPT and Cloud AI, and it's created this book for me. You can see the book cover is looking good. Okay, and in my last video I talked about the 10 steps that will help you attract readers to your Google Playbook. Okay, and in one of those steps I talked about keyword, how to source for book title that you will use. Okay, so that is what we're going to be discussing in this video. So without not wasting much of your time, let's quickly move in. So we'll be using three platform we'll be using. One is ChatGPT. You can use ChatGPT or you can use Cloud AI. I would recommend you using Cloud AI because Cloud AI will give you a good title that will help you rank well. Okay, and for those that is having issue of creating Cloud AI, you can use ChatGPT. ChatGPT is not that okay for me, but for writing and doing keyword, I always use Cloud AI. Okay, so let's say for example now you go to your Cloud AI. I'm going to paste the prompt in the comment section for those who need it. Once you just go to your ChatGPT or your Cloud AI, just give Cloud AI this prompt. So depending the country you'll be going for. Let's say for example you're going for US, you're targeting US audience. Okay, so just give Cloud AI this prompt. Give me 30 book topic I can write about on tech. If your niche is about tech, for those that are writing about relationship, you're writing about, maybe you're writing children book, you're writing any aspect you want to focus on. But let me put for example tech. Okay, just give ChatGPT this prompt. Give me 30 book topic I can write about on tech that US readers love to read about. Okay, I want a book topic. I want a book topic I can post on Google Play. Okay, specify what you want. Okay, I want a book I can post on Google Play that can attract readers. Once you give ChatGPT prompt, this kind of prompt you want, it will give you exactly what you want. It will do research on topics that readers are searching for concerning tech. Okay, so you can see ChatGPT gave me this list, but I'm not okay with this list it gave me. It gave me AI for beginners. AI for beginners is something I've published. I think I've published. I don't. Okay, I wrote AI blogging for passive income. Okay, but there's one of my other account. I post something about AI for beginners. Yeah, I remember I posted something like that. So I think ChatGPT is not that clear for me. It's not clear for me. So I use Cloud AI. So I also give Cloud AI the same prompt as you can see it on my screen. Give me 30 book topic I can write about on tech, and Cloud AI gave me clean topic that I want. Okay, you can see under AI and automation, it gave me AI side hustle, 50 ways to make money with ChatGPT. Wow. He also gave me prompt engineering for beginners, AI tools for small business. I'll be going for this number 4 topic. Number 4 topic says how to build your own AI chatbot without coding. Okay, I know US they like things about tech. So I'm going to copy this title. Once I copy this title, then I'm going to go to Google Trend. Okay, I'll use Google Trend to know how people are searching for this. I'll either use Google Trend or I will use keyword.io. Okay, so on Google Trend, this is my Google Trend account. So when you get, let me refresh. When you get to Google Trend, you click on Explore. Okay, so you can see on Google Trend, it shows keyword that people are searching for. You can see if I change this partner that says Nigeria, I can choose any country that I want to see what is trending in that country. So keyword is mostly good for web publishers, those who have websites. So when you publish articles like this, you can see, for example, you can see FIFA 2026 Spain Argentina payout. You can see 5K, that means 5,000 people are searching for this 7 hours ago. Okay, so you can change this part to 4 hours. You can also change it to started trending. Okay, now in this part category, you can choose your category, the part your own fall under. Okay, so for us now, we are going for book. Okay, but this part is for website publishers. I told you that. So for our Google book, we are going to go to Explore. I will click on Explore. We are going to paste that same topic I copied from Cloud AI. I will paste it here. Then I will search for it. So in this part, I'm going to change it back to US, depending the country I want to target. Okay. United States. Oh no, this is Afghanistan. So in this part, I can choose last 3 months or I can choose past months. Okay. All regions. I will choose all regions. Okay. Not specifying any region in US. Okay. Okay, let me put past year to see keyword. Okay, as you can see, there is no keyword about this particular topic. So I will go to keyword.io and check also if it is the same thing, the same result is going to give me. So keyword.io, I'm going to choose, okay, this for Amazon, this for YouTube, this for Alibaba. So I'm going to leave it at Google. Then I will do Ctrl V, leave it at United States, and I'm going to search for it. Let's see if keyword.io is going to give us. So you can see keyword.io has given us keywords we are going to use for our book. Okay, so you can see it listed about some certain keyword, about 203. So in this 203 keyword, we are going to pick the one we want. This is how to build your own AI chatbot with ChatGPT. I think this one is clean. How to create your own AI chatbot for free. So depending the one you're going to go for. Okay. So I always use Claude AI. When I search for my topic on Claude AI, then I will go and experiment it on keyword.io. There are other keyword tools you can use. We have SEMrush, we have RF. Okay. You can also use Google AdWords. Okay. And you can also use Google Trend. Well, Google Trend is mostly for website publishers, those that want to rank their websites. Okay. So this is a three keyword tool I always use to rank my book. Okay, to check the quality of the article the quality of the book I want to publish on Google Play. Okay. So, and the good part of this keyword tool is that they are free. SEMrush is paid, RF is paid, but depending what you want to do. Okay, but if you want to search for keyword, they have the free version. It will give you the list of topic you want to post and how many people are researching about it. Okay, so now from this part, now we are going to go to our Google Playbook. Okay, so you can see in this part now, you can see the Google Playbook account is opened, and the reason why it is open is because I use my VPN. So if you're not using VPN and you search for Google Play account, you won't see something like this because you're using African server. But once you use your VPN, you can see I'm using Windscribe VPN. Okay, I'm using Windscribe VPN. So once you use Windscribe or any VPN you'll be using, change it to US or any country, any Western country, it's going to bring you to this part. Okay, so now I'm going to let me on my VPN. So now I'm going to search for that same topic I copied from from Claude AI. I'm going to search it here to know if somebody has posted about it and how that keyword is doing on this Google Play. So I'm going to place it and then I will search for it. Wow, you can see that people have posted about it. Okay, you can see that people have posted. This one wrote about how to make money with ChatGPT. This one wrote AI chatbot builder's guide. Build a private AI chatbot. You can see people wrote about it, and this person put his own at 49.9. That means this person put his own at almost $50. Okay. Okay, if you scroll down, you also see audiobook. Some people posted the audiobook. Okay. So concerning how to build AI chatbot, people that publish about it are not much. Okay, they are not much. So now we are going to check the reviews to check which book is doing well. Okay, so the book that is doing well is going to be our competitor. So let's check this one first. This guy here placed his own book at $1. And you can see the last person who commented here, who made a review about the book, is on April 1st, 2026. That is just months ago. The person also posted AI side hustle blueprints. Okay, so now we've gotten something like this. You can see that something like this is doing well. Tech is doing well on Google Play. Okay, let's check this one out. The practical guide to building. Okay, this one. Okay, the last person who made a review about this book is on March. So now what we are going to do now, we've gotten what we want to get, because our title says how to build your own chatbots without coding. Okay, so I think there is nothing like this without coding. This without coding now is the main point. Nothing like that. We've seen how to make money, AI chatbot beginner's guide is a different topic on its own. It's different from this our particular keyword. Now we are going to go back to our keyword.io. Now we are going to choose anyone from the list here. Anyone from the list here. Okay? So once you choose your particular topic, make sure you go back to Google Play and search for it if something like that have appeared. And if nothing like that has appeared, post about it. Okay? Write a book about it and publish the book. When you publish the book, ensure you have a blogspot site, a website. I talked about it in my last video. Because with your website, you're going to run ads on it. So now, when you publish your book now, for your book to sell, if you wait for 1 week, you've not seen reader or any person to buy your book, the next thing you should be quick to do now is running ads. Okay, and in running your ads, you will need a website. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how to create a free and simple blogspot site, so that you can use that blogspot site to run ads. Okay, so now that we've checked this and we've gotten our particular keyword title that we want to publish, you head over to your ChatGPT. Okay, you give your ChatGPT this topic to create a clean book cover for you. Once ChatGPT has created a book cover for you, you download the book cover, upload it to your Cloud AI, and tell Cloud AI to create an ebook for you using that topic. Okay, Cloud AI is going to create the ebook for you. Give Cloud AI the number of pages you want it to create. Okay, it's going to create the book for you. Then you publish it on Google Play. When you publish it on Google Play, the cover of the book, you post it in your website. Okay, so when you post it in your website, in my next video I will show you how you're going to create a blog post, a blogspot site, and how you're going to run ads on this particular book title. So when you run ads, I'm going to show you how you're going to choose your target audience. Okay, your US audience, UK audience, depending. So, but you just have to have enough fund to run ads on your own. Okay, with the ads you're going to run is going to determine how much you're going to make concerning your book. Okay, so ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video to your friends that will be needing this information. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.